Here she comes, folks. Our new farm toy. Joe's like a little kid at Christmas. Baby, I want to drive the tractor. It's mine.
All right, let me show you how it works.
Okay.
All right, the last time. This is the key for the tractor.
Got it.
To start the tractor, make sure the parking brake is on.
What's the parking brake?
This is the parking brake right here.
Is that on or off?
This is on. Just turn it off. Push it in. That's off.
Okay.
Next thing is you need to make sure that the speed selector is in neutral. See here it has high, neutral, low. And you put it in neutral.
Okay. No problem.
The last thing is you want to make sure the PTO knob is pushed in all the way. It's this little yellow knob right here.
Wait, what's a PTO?
Runs the back of the tractor.
Oh.
See this little yellow knob?
Okay.
Okay.
What do I need to make sure it does?
Make sure it's pushed in.
Oh,
You pull it out, you can't start your tractor. Push it
gotcha.
in, start your tractor.
Okay.
So you get all those things where they're supposed to be, and then you just turn. You don't have to hold the brake down or anything. Just turn your key to the on position. Push down the parking brake and push the yellow knob in to disengage the parking brake.
Whoa. Just, okay. Wait, what?
The parking brake. The tractor's on. Push the brake down. Push the parking brake in to disengage it.
That's when I want it off.
Yes. To disengage it. Disengage.
You're using language I don't understand.
See this orange lever right here?
Mm-hmm.
So the tractor's running, parking brake is disengaged. You're gonna bump this
There's
orange
that
lever
word
up
again.
to where this little needle's pointing at the 15.
Okay.
Pull back on your bucket handle to raise the bucket and hit the go button.
Okay.
It's easy.
Uh-huh.
Now we'll see
Okay.
how much you paid attention.
Got this, honey. No problem. Actually, I'm terrified. Okay, so before we begin this learning process here, I would just like to put in a disclaimer for all of those who may be watching this and don't know. I have never operated a machine in my entire life except for a car. I do not know how to run a lawnmower, and I most certainly do not know anything about running a tractor. But I am super excited and I want to learn, so this is going to be real fun. So sit back and get some popcorn, guys, and enjoy the show. Okay, so this thingamajigger here is out, so that's good. This needs to be a neutral. Check. Key's there. See, honey, I know this is the key. This is the bucket thingy.
Clearly, he's trying to say something.
And this, I don't even know what this is. I can't remember. And then, oh, this little yellow knob thing. It's, I gotta push it in. Check.
Oh, excellent job, sweetie.
Okay.
Okay.
Pulley thingy, neutral, yellow button thingy. Cool. Okay, now, okay. I think I can turn it on now, right?
You think or you know?
I'm going with I know.
Okay, turn it on.
Okay.
take your brake off.
Oh yeah, I gotta turn the brake off.
You gotta push on the brake pedal.
That's the brake pedal.
Push on the brake pedal and push the yellow knob in at the same time.
You didn't say that.
You gotta push on the brake pedal.
Oh, what'd I do? What'd I do?
You must not weigh enough to work the safety switch.
That is the correct answer.
Okay, 4 time's a charm. Yeah. Okay, lift your bucket up. Hold on, you got to raise your RPMs to the 15.
Oh, this orange thingy!
The orange thingy. All right.
I'm so proud of myself.
I'm going up. Oh, it's about as bad as it could be.
Time to get to work now!
Up, 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 can only go up from here. Up, 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 where the clouds gonna be. Up.
Hey honey, what's my first job?
So we gotta get this compost pile turned over so it can compost some more. So you get to learn how to run the loader today.
What's that? Oh, the bucket.
The big thing on the front of the tractor.
Oh, okay. I don't appreciate your snide remarks when I don't understand your mechanical lingo.
All right, you see this metal rod right here? This is your level indicator.
What is a level indicator? What is it indicating?
When this little bend is right in this little metal piece, your bucket's level to the ground. If it's up here, your bucket's gonna dig into the ground. And if it's down here, your bucket's gonna come up like this on the ground.
What?
Bucket level indicator.
Okay.
If it's right in this little bend,
Okay.
right here,
Okay.
the bucket's level to the ground. When we go into the compost pile, we want the bucket level to the ground.
Yeah, so where's the indicator gonna indicate?
This is gonna be right in there. The bend is gonna be right in this little metal bracket.
Okay.
Okay? You're gonna put your bucket on the ground. You're gonna go in nice and slow, and as you go in, you're gonna pull back on your bucket stick to kind of raise up the stuff as you go in. Okay?
That's because a visual would be helpful.
Okay. Come over here so you can see what you're gonna do with the loader controller.
Okay.
Okay, so you're driving towards the compost pile. Your bucket comes into the compost pile.
Okay.
You're gonna pull back on this slightly. It's gonna start raising the bucket. You're gonna pull it towards you. It's gonna start curling the bucket like this. We want to raise and curl. And
It
then when
may
we get
look
it up
like
high
I'm
enough,
listening, but in my
we're
head
going
I'm
to push it
designing
out
Fern
like
Ridge
this,
Farm
and that's going to
fires.
dump the bucket. Okay. Then we're going to back up. We're going to back up, and we're going to lower the bucket. You push forward, that lowers the bucket, and then we're going to level everything out for our next scoop.
You do realize that that sounds impossible to me, right?
Oh, you'll get the hang of it. It's easy.
Okay. Makes this look so
Well, I work an old John Deere tractor every day. Plowing, planting crops, and cutting hay. Well, the good Lord knows that I wouldn't want it any other way. I work my old John Deere tractor every day. This year we've had
Okay, here we go.
This is so embarrassing. There.
Sweetie, you gotta drive into it before you start picking up. All right, she's gonna give it another shot.
Clearly at this point, I'm in need of some assistance. But I certainly have my suspicions about Joe's idea of going about this.
The way your fingers fit mine is 5 + 5, not a rocket science. This day and time, that's hard to find, it's true. The road we're on ain't a traffic jam. It's a Sunday drive on a piece of land. It's paradise as long as I'm with you. It's like 1, 2, 3, just as easy as can be. Just the way you look at me, you make me smile. Ain't no need to complicate it. We both know that's overrated. We've been there, it's safe to say it ain't our style. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. We used to live on Instagram, worried about who all gives a damn about where we've been and where we ended up. Then I met you and you met me, and all the rest is history. An epiphany that all we need is us. It's like 1, 2, 3, just as easy as can be. Just the way you look at me, you make me smile. Ain't no need to complicate it. We both know that's overrated. We've been there, it's safe to say it ain't our style. We're just simple like a 6th string. The way this world was meant to be. Like laughing love, make a lot out of a little. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E.
Aha! I was right. Ugh, husbands.
Oh dear heavens, I'm on my own again. Oh my freaking goodness.
You're gonna dump it on yourself. Dump it out.
This is hopeless.
Listen, I gotta process this with Janine's thought. Okay, I got this. I think. I just gotta figure it out. Okay.
All right, we're processed with the neem thought, and now we're going back for another scoop. Well, not too bad. Not too bad. Picked up half of what you dumped out, but that's all right.
Oh my goodness, even Ty's embarrassed. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Well, at least I have some goals.